A big old big cousin. Yes, Max. When are we gonna escape this place? As soon as I find a home. As soon as you find a home, when's that gonna be? Come on, guys. Listen, I know we're living in this dump and we're slaves, but come on now. I can't find a house in 1 second or 1 day. But I'm sorry, little cousin. It's okay. I just really wanted to find a place. I don't want to live here anymore. The princess is mean. I know she's mean. Well, girl knows she's mean. But listen, maybe I can find us a house, and then maybe, just maybe, we can just live there for the rest of our lives. Okay. This is all so bad for me. Such a beautiful day to go to the volcano. I can ask hold on, I gotta come up with another name. I'll just do it my channel name. I gotta ask Lizzie if I can go. Did you even flush?
Of course I did.
Sister. I mean, cousin. Cousin. What? Cousin. What is it, Max? And aren't you supposed to be digging? I don't think we should do that anymore. Are you crazy? What if the queen fire us? And you're saying, oh, we should just stop digging? I'm not saying that. We can go to the volcanoes. Can we go? Well, I did promise you we could go last episode. Huh? Nothing. Fine, we can go. Just be careful. The queen might notice us. Okay, I can't wait. Me too. Come on. Be careful. It's sketchy. Come on. I know the secret passageway. I've been thinking about it for a long time. And now we're going. Come on. It's sketchy. Just hold my week. Coming, big cousin. Remember, sneaky. Up here. Wait. Isn't this place kind of sketchy? It looks like somebody could die here. Don't say that, Max. But it's the truth. This place looks so creepy and scary. And sketchy. Are you sure we should go up here? Max, it's okay. I'll protect you like a big cousin I am. You treat me like I'm your brother. 'Cause you are. Now come on. No, I'm your cousin. Stop complaining and climb up. Okay. Just telling you, this looks kind of sketchy. Whoa! Be careful up there, Max. Gotcha. I think I found some of it. You gotta come see this. I'll be right up there. Oh no, the queen is coming. Just hide in the shadows. I thought I heard some paws going on the ground, but it looks like it was just my imagination. Gotta go back to my kingdom. Queendom. I don't know why I paused it, guys. Oh my gosh, that was close. Coming up there, Max. Oh, this place is awesome. You guys can't even see it. This place is awesome. You don't tell me there was smoke down there? Oh, sorry, but look at this place. Wait, this is the top of the volcano, right? Of course it is, Max. Now come on, let's explore. See if we can find an empty den here. Okay. Max, wait up. You don't want to get hurt now. Oh, whoa. Max, don't run far like that. Huh? It's a mini volcano. Don't jump in. It's a bad thing if you jump in. You might kill yourself. Fine, but it looks so beautiful. I wish I brought my camera. Or pets. We don't have thumbs. Except on the bottom part, but we don't have thumbs. We can't carry it. Oh, yeah. Forgot about that. But can we just take a sneak peek? Max! Get over by the edge. You're gonna fall. No, I'm not. I'm very protective. Yeah, sure. Go ahead, kill yourself. I know, nobody's gonna die. Oh, I see some skeletons. You're gonna look like dog skeleton if you don't back away. Oh my gosh, so protective. Just trying to see. Whoa. Max, we weren't here for this. What do you have in mind, Lizzie? Come on, I see something over there. Jump over. How did you jump over that so flawlessly? Because I used the smallest side. Now come on. I'll catch you even. No, you won't. So we can do that. Okay. Fine, we'll jump. 3, 2, 1. Max, just jump. Nothing's gonna get you. Except this lava. It's probably gonna boost you up. Take the smallest side. That still looks big. Max, you're such a scary cat. Here, listen. I can even jump from side to side. You were saying? Stop all that bragging and come and help me. Fine, I will. I'm slipping over here. You're too big. You're too heavy. Go find some help. Okay. Oh no, that wasn't a good idea. I should have told him that. I'm slipping. I couldn't find some help. Lizzie? Lizzie, where'd you go? Lizzie? Oh no, she must have dropped here. I should have never went if I knew that was gonna happen. So dumb, stupid. Wait, what am I doing? I need a brain sometimes. But I really don't want to jump down. Let's just hope I don't touch the lava. Lizzie! Max, what are you doing down here? Well, you fell down, and my stupid brain wasn't collecting right, so I decided to follow you. Max, you're making the dumb decisions here. Listen, the only way we're gonna get out of here if somebody tells us the directions. But there's no way we're getting out of here with that. Max, you could have been the one that could save us all. Oh. Whatever, Max. You stay here. And actually, stay here while I go find something that can get us out of here. Just so clumsy, so stupid, don't know anything. Oh my gosh. And no, I will not sing. I think I can help you with that problem. Huh? Who are you? Hey, Hey there, little guy. The name's Buston. Buston? Buston. Alright. With 2 Z's. Not an S. For all you weirdos out there, there's no S in my name. There's a Z. Yeah, that's all I got. But anyways, do not call me Buston. It's Buston. Alright? Huh? What are you talking to? The same person you were talking to. Anyways, so you know the way to get out of here, this place? You know, I do actually, but I just want to stay here because there's actually good stuff around here. Hey, you see that boulder over there? Yeah. If you use that, you could smash the wall. That'll give you an entrance. There will be some skeletons because some people try to climb it, but there will be this ladder. You climb it up, and then you're back at the top. Just make sure you look out for the jump. Okay, seems good to me. I'm gonna go tell my sister. Wait, somebody else is around here? Wait! Weird. Lizzie! What discoveries have you found lately now? A man told me that I found a way out. Really? You did? Like, I'll believe you. Follow me. Fine.